Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV app. We click on settings as you see and you will enter here in this page. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window you will search about Pluto TV and you will click here. Then in this page here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to when you click here on Pluto TV you will click on first stop and you will click as we see before, and